C3 to take a look at here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1976 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. Corvette red, black leather interior. Underneath the hood, 383 stroker V8. That is paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350 to be exact. Power steering, power brakes. If you want to check out the still pictures of this car so you can see the underside, engine bay, interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course you can call us, 507-386-1726. Let you take a look at the paint here. It does show some light scratching. It's a car, hey, get in it and drive, have some fun. Not a trailer queen, not perfect one to drive, especially that 383 underneath the hood. Kind of got that drag car look to it with the cheater slicks in the back, riding on the American Racing. 5-spoke polished wheels. Of course, disc brakes, all four corners. Black leather interior does have seat covers on it, as you can see. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation in this vehicle. May be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Some things are going to be included with this. There is a folder full of receipts. There's also some repair manuals and just kind of mechanical manuals. Of course, car cover in the blue there. And also a nice case, soft-sided protective case, carrying case if you will, for the T-tops. And you can see still pictures with the tops in and the tops out like it is now. Again, undersides, engine bay, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. See the dual exhaust exiting the rear. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. We'll check out that engine bay. I think the easiest is going to be for me to just reach in. It's fired up here. Odometer reads 59,650. Once a car becomes a certain age, it just goes to exempt, so it doesn't stay on the title, so I can't confirm or deny if that's original. Take a look at the dash. Got that shift light. Again, kind of going after that drag car look. Alright. Hear that 383, it's got a nice rumble coming out of it. Also want to pull the lights. I'm going to show you that those go up. Slip around to the back here first. Nice sounding. That, no doubt about that. A few other things done to this car. It does have a 2800 stall converter and shift kit also. 400 horsepower is what the previous owner states on this car. There's the headlights up, as you can see. Let's go ahead and pop this hood.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Wipers do work also. I had those working a little earlier. It's a 383 stroker. Again, power steering, power brakes. Nice looking engine bay, of course, HEI ignition. They are working on brights. Smooth running, good sounding V8. Looking for a C3 to have a little fun with? Not be afraid to drive it. Here it is, 1976 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.